So welcome back, guys. My name is Daniel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now in this video I would like to show us how we can create YouTube video. Now last video I showed us how we can create a YouTube channel and start monetization. Then before we can be able to monetize our content on YouTube, we must have a video to upload or content to upload rather. Now how do we create video? That is very simple. It's as simple as ABC. You can create YouTube videos with your phone or using your laptop in two ways. Now as a beginner, you might probably want to be showing people your face, or depending on the kind of niche you are into. Now for example, I'm into the how to make money online and how to do stuff online niche. So I teach people on how to do things online. So basically I don't usually show my face on most video, or all my video I don't usually show my face. So what I do is I make use of screen recorder. You understand? So I make use of screen recorder. So we have a lot of screen recorder for phone and also for PC. Now you might be the type that want to show people your face, so you can make use of your smartphone to do YouTube video, to show people your face. You can just put it in a portrait form. Put your phone in a portrait form, and so that it will be easy for you to make video that will be applicable on YouTube. Now it depends on the niche you want to be making video, so you don't need to copy anyone online. Maybe someone is making use of someone is into the how to make money online niche and is making money, and you want to also venture into that. Do what you have passion for. So that is what will make your video be like a freestyle, and it will not give you any problem. Now we have a lot of screen recorder that you can use on your smartphone, so I'm going to be giving you few that you can use, because if you go to my YouTube channel, you notice that I make some video using phone, while I make some video using my laptop. Now you can try AZ recorder. We have AZ recorder. Now this is it. You can try it on your, just go to your Play Store and download AZ recorder. Then after that we have S recorder. I think we have X recorder. So you can also go to your YouTube. This is it, the APK file. So you can go to your Play Store rather and search for all these files. These are one of the best video screen recorder that I make use on my smartphone if I want to do video. And with this video screen recorder, they give you the ability to edit your videos once you have finished recording your video. So they give you ability to edit your video. There another application I'm going to be giving you is the InShot application or KineMaster. So any of these two, you can use it to edit your to edit your YouTube video or your video. So after you have done your video, you have screen record your video, you can just head to InShot application to edit your video and to add some good features to your videos. So probably in the nearest future I might be doing video on how to edit using InShot, making use of your smartphone. So all these three applications I've mentioned, or four applications, you can actually use it on your smartphone to make video and upload on YouTube, to start monetizing your YouTube content. Now when I talk about our laptop or our desktop computer, we can make use of different screen recorder to do screen record our video. Now the one I'm using is Camtasia. I'm making use of Camtasia video recorder. Now with this Camtasia, you can also edit your video. Now this is the Camtasia. Now let me show you on my desktop here. Now you see this Camtasia Studio. Once I open it now, although I'm recording, but it's going to open the entire this thing for me, but the recording is still going on, and this is what This is the studio, this is the interface. Now this is how the Camtasia look like, but I cannot record in this place. It said record the screen. I won't be able to record screen because I've already started one record, except I pause it. So can you see? Then I can also import. Let me just I can also import. Let me remove it and I'll add it again, then I'll show you what I was doing. So I can also import media. Now before that, let me show you another one we make use of. Before I show you how I edit with Camtasia, we also have the OBS Studio. Now we can also make use of this to what, to do screen record. This is just what, go to the site and what, and download it. It's very easy to use also. Then the third one I'm going to be showing us that we can use on our laptop is the Bandicam. Now this application, I have used this Bandicam before, but the issue with it is that you can only make use of what, you can only record up to 10 minutes video, except you have upgraded your account. You are going to pay a certain amount of money. Likewise, this Camtasia, I'm using the pro version, so if you need it, you can message me and I'm going to give you for a token, because it's something very costly. So I'm going to give you, and also give you the serial number that you use to verify as a pro version. Now this OBS is also easy to use, just download it. Although I've not made use of this OBS before, but with the review people give, I think it's okay. Then this Bandicam, if you are making a short video up to 10 minutes, you can try it, because it's also okay, except you want to upgrade to the pro version. Now as to the Camtasia, now these are to edit using your Camtasia. Now let me go to my desktop computer. Now I said this video is going to be very short. Now this is the Camtasia. After you have installed it, now you have the Camtasia Studio. Once you open it up, if you want to record a video, you click on the record button and it's going to take you to this part where you are going to click on OK to record. Now I'm using the older version. Is saying Camtasia is now available. The new version include all this. You understand? So I'm using the older version of this. Can you see? So you can say record screen, but I'm already recording my screen, so you no need for that. Then what I want to show us is this: import media. Let me import media. Now first thing, let me just go to my desktop and pick up a video. Now this is one of the video I did using Camtasia, so let me just import the video. So I want to show you the easy way to just edit your video on Camtasia and just save it. Then I want to still import another video. Let me go to download, then let me make use of this. This YouTube is just a YouTube subscribe button video. So once I'm done, first thing is I'm going to pull this down to this part, to this place I'm having track 1. Can you see? So the dimension, I want to make it a YouTube version, so I click on the YouTube, which is 1280 by 720. Can you see? Then when I play it, you can see. Can you see? So it's already playing. So I'm going to take it back, then add another track. Just click on this plus button. When I click on the plus button, I'll drag this YouTube video. I'll drag it here. That's not what I want. Let me delete it. Let me drag it to the track 2. So once I play it and it gets to this very point, it's going to show me that YouTube wherever. So just check it out.
So good, guys. Welcome.
So once it can get to that place, an error, let me delete and add it again. I think there's some little error with that video. Let me just remove it. So let me add it again. Let's see. We are going to try another video. Let's make use of this. so you can just drag it. So let's play it.
Channel, welcome to this video.
Can you see? So it's already showing.
Very short video.
Can you see subscribe button? Can you see? So
channel.
once it has left that position, also it's going to take it away. Now one thing you can do, maybe you want to show this at the beginning of your video and also in the middle or in the end. So just what you need to do is click on it. Let's pause it. Click on it. Can you see? You can copy it. Then go to the part you want to paste it. Just click on the part you want to paste it. Then what? Paste it. Can you see? Then you can drag it. Can you see? Drag it to that point you want. Can you see what I'm doing? So you can drag it. You can drag it. So let's play it. Once the video get to this point, and it's going to show the YouTube. So that's just a very easy step to what to edit YouTube videos, to create and edit YouTube videos. Now this video I'm showing you now was this the YouTube video, how to create a YouTube channel video that I did. So I did the video using Camtasia. So you can see if I want to edit the video, can you see the way I'm editing? So after you have recorded your video or recorded your screen using Camtasia, you can still use it to edit the video. You can still use it to edit the video. So when it get to this point now, you are going to see it's going to show me that YouTube subscribe video button again. So let's wait to that point and see. So
can you see these are my videos?
That which means you can add one or more video to it. Can you see? It's going to show you. So whereas if I put
can you see these videos
another let's say I want to add another media, I put it. Let me add this.
This one is having.
Let me add this. Then let me now put it. Let me pause my video.
This is not my video.
Then let me put it in this third. Let me drag it to this point. So now let's see. So we want to start this from the beginning. So it's just very simple. It's not necessary you become a badass video editor before you can start uploading on YouTube or before you can start making money on YouTube. The message you want to pass is for people to subscribe to your YouTube channel while they continue watching your video. So it's very simple as that. Can you see? Subscribe. So when you get to this point again, it's going to capture this video also. So let's see.
Also get it monetized. How to set it up for monetization. Now YouTube monetization or YouTube marketing is one of the business or legit business you can do out here now and get your cool money. Now let me show you.
So can you see? It's going to show. Can you see? It's going to show that video because that's a video also, but it has taken all the whole screen. So that's why I was not using it. Can you see? So let's just delete it. You can delete it from there. So that's how you can what? That's how we can edit our screen record video using Camtasia, then upload on YouTube. So after we have done that, you can just come to this place and what? Click on produce and share. Once you click on produce and share, click on this one, select. Let me see. Just select MP4 only up to 720 pixel. I think that's what. So MP4 only up to 720 pixels. So that's what is recommended, and you can pick anything you want. Probably you can share to YouTube directly. So you can share to YouTube directly, or you can save it before. After you have click on it, just click on what? Click on next, and it will start rendering. Now let us just test it. When I click on next, just give it a title, then give it a location, then you click on what? Finish. Now let me click on finish. Can you see it has started rendering my video? But I'm not going to start doing this from scratch again because I already have the video. So all I'll just do is what? Cancel it. Can you see? So I'll cancel the video. So that's that on how to upload what? How to do a screen record for yourself, how to record yourself, how to record a YouTube video, and how to create a YouTube video. So that's going to be all for today. So thank you very much. Yeah, welcome to my channel.